The manufacturing industry puts food on the table for nearly 600,000 workers across Illinois. Rockford and Winnebago County are a big part of that. That's the message the head of an industry organization recently brought to the Forest City. His visit is our Made in the State line.
I'm wondering whether there's anything that the IMA can do in addition to what it's doing to perhaps work with the Illinois Board of Education to make it more acceptable for kids to go on a pathway of career tech ed.
That was a major concern for local manufacturers at this week's Rockford Area Economic Development Council breakfast.
The biggest issue for employers is related to talent and talent development. Where is it going to come from? Is it sustainable? And how do I maintain that over time?
The issue isn't unique to Rockford. IMA President Mark Denzler calls it a challenge to convince young people, but also parents, teachers, and counselors, that college isn't the only way to a successful future.
We're working with schools every day to show them the great careers that are available in manufacturing. In Rockford, for example, there are 24,000 men and women working in manufacturing. 1 in 6 jobs are direct manufacturing jobs here in Winnebago County, and there's another 23,000 that are indirectly.
One way IMA says manufacturers can help themselves is by participating in Manufacturing Day, traditionally the first Friday in October. Businesses open up their doors to show what they do and change the perception of manufacturing.
Manufacturing is not dark, dirty, and dangerous. Manufacturing Day is innovative, and it's high-tech, and it's cool.
The education also involves Illinois lawmakers. That plays right into Denzler's legislative background.
I tell members of the General Assembly, I wish they would spend a quarter of the time talking about manufacturing they do on minimum wage. Minimum wage, even at $15 an hour, which is going to take effect, that's $31,000 a year. We're paying 2.5 times that on average.
Denzler points out so many of those jobs are linked to Rockford and Winnebago County, known worldwide for the region's aerospace connections.
The Rockford area is doing phenomenal jobs to say where do we want to be in 5 years or 10 years and making sure everyone's rowing in the same direction. And they're really best in class in terms of doing that.
The dollar amount of Winnebago County's manufacturing output is more than $9 billion. That's almost a quarter of the county's GDP.